What is up, guys? I freaking balled out at Slammed Enough this weekend. I'm making this video right after Slammed Enough because I really want to put the wheel on, so I'm like, but bought the wheel and the hub at Gatlinburg this weekend for about 300 bucks. So we're gonna put it on right now. Let's get it. Tamper Proof Torx bits, and you can do a 1/4 inch. Those are quarter, but I just found an adapter, that way at least I'll have a little more leverage with this guy. But yeah, let's get right to it. We're gonna have a bolt there and a bolt over here. Dude, those came out so easy. Jeremiah's did not do it that easy, I can tell you that much. Oh my word. I'm gonna flip to the other side and get this one real quick. Let's see if this one's easy too. And no, I didn't disconnect the battery, so hopefully this doesn't go bad. Neighbors might be pissed, but be all right. After you get your two little bolts out, two little guys there, this guy, just give it a little shake and it should come out. It's gonna be real tight, so just be careful with it. Then flathead, pop these two guys up, pull out, your airbag will come off, and then we'll go grab our tools for our center nut. Cha-ching! Boom! Yep, just set that somewhere where, who cares? Center nut. This is a little tricky to do with one person, but it is a 19 millimeter. And it is a pain in the ass to do with one person, honestly. But once you break it loose, just try to get it off as best you can. And then we'll go from there. Now you just grab your old trusty dusty hub and kind of get her in line where you can, where that pokes through, and should have a little alignment line right there. Mine's gonna be a little off, but I really don't, it's not gonna bother me too much. Just give her a press on there. And then luckily this one I didn't buy a horn button, so I'm gonna be able to put the center nut on. I'm gonna be able to put the wheel on here, put the center nut on, and hold the wheel and tighten them down all at the same time. So just tuck all these up and we'll snatch that guy. And your baggie should come with a little bit of hardware. Got that hand tighten on there now. We'll tuck those cords up in a second. But yeah, slap her on here. Ooh-wee. Dude, that looks sick. Here's what I did with the wires right there though. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video on how to do this. Hopefully we can help you guys. If you guys have any questions, just leave a comment. We'll reply if we can. And y'all have a blessed day. We'll see y'all later.